Monica Mukwada, a former councillor and MP, get the mic snatched from her by ZANU-PF hooligans as she made a presentation at a public hearing on Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 in Mutare yesterday. Zada mashoko kudanyaso kuda pachina chinzi chaos inoitika muHarare chete nezuro kwaMutare kuri kuno kwakunzi. This lady anonzi Monica Mukwada achiexpressa her views pamusoro the Cape 3. Mike yake ichingosinichiwa achitorwa nemaZANU-PF hooligans. Chiri kunyatsonekwa kunzi, so these people, why are they wasting their resources and their time vachiya kwatiri vachida kunzwa maviews edu, yet they are barring us from speaking the truth. Zanabina mashuko mdanyo panguwa na subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa mudhemira mashingo unaenda mbira wachiti. She had to be escorted out of the hall after the presentation due to threats of violence. She, however, withered the storm as the hooligans booed her, but still managed to make important points about the bill. She said that extending the terms of current MPs, senators, and the president is against the wishes of the people, since the electorate no longer wants most of them. Further, when we sent the president, MPs, and senators to parliament, our agreement was that they will be there until 2028. That position has not changed, Mr. Chairman. She said traditional leaders preside over court cases and judges cannot be politicians. She said the war was fought for one man, one vote, and allowing a few to vote for the president is contrary to the which thousands of Zimbabweans lost their lives for. She said that the Gender Commission must remain in place to represent women. After saying this, ndopakabva atorerwa yemike. Ndoma developments aripo muZimbabwe uri kuonekwa kuti ZANU-PF panguva ino yotora stance yakashata awa kwazvo. Pina comment section menu dzavhura imari kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musava subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.